So let's create a chatbot. Today we'll create a chatbot for a shipping company, allowing their customers to order a shipping service and also providing some customer feedback. So first, let's set the chatbot language, and then give it a name. So this is the widget bar or the toolbox that we'll be using to construct our chatbot. And the first widget is already here. The first widget has to be a template, and we have to choose a template that has been created and approved before. So we have prepared the template for the starting template with 3 buttons. The first button is for requesting the shipping service with the caption plan a shipment. The second button has a caption of I have a question. It's to allow obtaining customer feedback. And the third button is for visiting website. And we don't have any action to do with it here. Chatbots are mainly used to add interactivity to interactive buttons. So with that, number 1 action here, we need to assign a keyword to the chatbot, which has to be unique, or allow the chatbot to trigger with any character sent by the customer, whether it's sent hi or any any character. This will allow the chatbot to be triggered. And I think this choice is ideal here for such demo for shipping company. However, you cannot have any other chatbot active with as long as we have this chatbot active and can be triggered by any keyword. So let's add the interactivity to the buttons. Let's tackle first, I have a question. And we will use ask question widget. Ask question widget is used to obtain some text from the customer. So the message here will be kindly submit your question. And we will allow only 5 minutes for the customer to submit. And we will connect the flow to here. So now we have 2 cases. Whether the customer after 5 minutes, maybe the customer doesn't respond. So no input by the customer, or we receive a reply from the customer. So in both cases, I think we can tackle both options with a generic goodbye note. So we'll take medium button, and we will add an image with have a nice day card. And the message here will be thank you for reaching through us. So basically, you're not promising to give any response to the customer. So all options for you are open. You're not committed to reply to whatever feedback is sent by the customer. So both, whether we get a reply or we don't get a reply, we will connect both to this widget. And with that, we have tackled the customer feedback flow. Now we need to go to the plan a shipment. So basically now the customer is willing to order a shipping service. So maybe the first question will be, first thing we need to do is to get the customer's name. So again, we will add ask question. Again, we'll limit to 5 minutes. And the message here will be, please submit your full name. Okay, so connect the flow. So in case the customer doesn't respond in 5 minutes, again, we'll filter him out and we'll send him have a nice day note. In case the customer submits a text which is supposed to be his name, then we will take him to the next stage. So next stage, now we need to obtain the location of the pickup from the customer. For that, we use Ask Media widget. So Ask Media widget, we use the ask question to obtain some text. Ask Media, we use it to obtain a file from the customer. And this file can be an image, any other document, a video, or a location. So it's a location in our case. And the note the customer will receive, please send the pickup location. Again, we limit the response time to 5 minutes, and we will connect the flow to here. And now we have three different cases to tackle. Whether the customer doesn't respond at all, and this one we will again send him have a nice day note and stop the chatbot. Now we may receive a response from the customer, but it's not the correct response. So this will be the output in that case. Or the third case, the customer does respond correctly with that location. So in order to make it easy on the customer, we don't want to, even if the customer doesn't respond with the location, we will still want to bring the customer forward to the next stage. Don't want to drop him at this stage. So we'll even if it's a wrong reply, we will just carry him forward to the next stage. So we have obtained now the location, the name, the location. We would like to clarify the address. So again, we use ask question, and the note will be, please provide building / unit number. Okay, so both said we will carry forward. Okay, and again, we'll limit the reply time to 5 minutes. So now, at this stage, even if the customer doesn't respond with the address, still you may wanna take him forward, or you might, you can also consider to talk him back. Let's just again, if he doesn't supply anything, we'll just again filter him out. So if we receive any response from the customer, we'll take him to the next stage. And now, final question, we need to ask which is the shipping destination. So we use the list widget for it. And the list can hold up to 10 options. For demo purpose, we will limit to only to 3 options. So what will be the note before the list caption? We will just say, please select the shipping destination and so we'll connect the flow. So that's the note. Then we need to also to put the caption on the button, the list button, and we will say destination list. Okay, so we'll add 3 destinations. 1, 2, 3. First one, let's say Grenoble. Second one, let's say Manila. And the third one, let's say Jakarta. And as you see here, this field takes 24 characters, and the next field takes 72 characters. So basically, within a list, you may want to put a short title, and then give more this explanation about this choice. But in our case here, we're just obtaining the essential list, so I'm just repeating the same. Right? So now the customer have chosen the destination, and we need to take him to the last goodbye note. Of course, we can use text and button as a final note, or even medium button. But also we can use request intervention, which will give us one more function. Okay, request intervention, I can give the final note saying, thank you. We shall reach to you soon. Okay, and we will connect all, well, no matter which destination the customer wants. We don't need to filter here. All will take them to the final note. Now, what this widget gives us, whenever the customer reaches this stage, it will trigger a notification alert on the web. It is going to come here, and also on the Whisper mobile application, the notification will come to you that the customer is ready to engage. So you can even engage with the customer immediately after he finishes this stage, after he reaches the stage, or he's available for you to come back at any time. However, you will know whenever the customer reaches this stage, you will know immediately through this notification coming here on the web and coming on the mobile notification that there's a customer have requested a shipment, and he have completed the chatbot. Now, with that, our chatbot is ready. We have completed the flow, and we can therefore create the chatbot. Now, each widget here is basically a template that will be submitted to WhatsApp for approval. And for us, 7 have been approved already, and 1 is still in review. So once this last template is also approved, it will be, the chatbot will be ready, and you can send it to yourself here through this button and to test it. And you can come back and edit it at any time.